Welcome back to another episode of the Navs Effect podcast. I'm your host, Naveen Ganglani. Today is a special episode. We have Arvin Tolentino joining us here on the podcast before he embarks on the next journey of his basketball career, which will take him to the SK Knights in Korea. So we'll ask Arvin about that and what led to his decision and how he's feeling about it. Okay, we're now back here at the podcast. Arvin Tolentino joins us. Arvin, welcome back to the podcast. Nice to have you back here again. This time, I'm having you as with you as an official KBL player. I mean, it's crazy. Before we started this podcast, nag-uusap tayo na 11 years ago, your rookie year in college, and here you are now, more than a decade later, about to play pro ball in another country in Asia, which I'm sure kung may nagkwento sa'yo about that nung rookie year mo sa Ateneo, probably hindi mo believe, di ba? At that point, parang,
For sure, yeah.
Korea? Seriously? But that's how the landscape of basketball in the Philippines has changed, and we've seen other guys do it, like the guy you're replacing sa SKC1, his brother Javi, of course, the likes of Kiefer and 30 in Japan, and Ren Sabando. So you become the latest player to take his talents to Asia, and I'm sure many people are proud of you for that accomplishment. So, kwento mo sa amin, how did it all happen, yung deal mo with SK and you going to the KBL?
Uh, Hi guys. Arvin nga pala. Well, actually, SK started nung there's a may alumni sa Ateneo. There's Tito Jojo de la Rama. Um, he's very close to me. Tita Mita also, his wife. They're very, very close to me. Lalo na nung stay ko doon sa Ateneo. So he's the one that called me. He said, um, gusto mo mag-Korea? I was like, of course. Yeah. But of course, depends, sabi ko. So he's the one that connected me to the team. And first time we talked, I told them I have a family. If I'm going to Korea, my family has to be with me. And I have to sign at least 2 years, long term. I can't risk it going there for a year. And yeah, that go agad. Okay, that's okay. So they went here first time. We met in BGC. Um, I remember pa actually sinabi ko sana, I don't think we can talk right now kasi I'm still uh I'm I'm still under contract with the PBA. But they said it's nothing formal. We just want to get to know you. Pursue your personality, your attitude, whatever. You can bring your wife if you want. We're just gonna talk. So I said, okay, okay, I'm game. And yeah, actually, they went here to have dinner, just dinner lang, and then umuwi na sila agad sa Korea. So parang I was
Na-Korean
like, wow,
restaurant ba kayo? Or Filipino restaurant?
Korean, Korean.
Okay, okay, okay. Go on, go on.
Yeah. And then sabi ko, so where are you guys staying? And no, we came here. We just came from the airport, and then we're going back later. I was like, wow, I
Wow.
felt so special no time na yan. So yeah, that's what happened.
So yung SK lang nakausap mo or you talk to other teams also?
I talked to other teams also. Um, Pwede ba sabihin yun? I think no.
I mean, well, sige, wag na lang para
I'll
since
say three or
three teams.
two other teams. Yeah.
Right, right. So your contract with Northport expired April 30. So I
Mhm.
assume na after your contract with Northport expired, that's when the conversation and the negotiation really started to heat up, 'di ba? So after let's say May 1, 'di ba? Hindi ko sure kung may 31 sa April eh. Kaya
Wala,
hindi
wala.
ako see, mas alam mo pa. Um, pero so let's say May 1 started. Wala na, tapos na sa Northport. Did you
Mhm.
contact them? Did they contact you? Did they know na April 30 yung expiry mo? What happened after that?
They know. I told them na I'm expiring April 30, 2025. And they said, yeah. And then after nun, actually, weeks before, I was already talking to Northport with Coach Bonnie, Coach Pido, and Boss Eric Ariola. And I was being honest with them. I told them, hey, boss, hey, coach. I'm getting offers from overseas, but I said, of course, my family is here, and my priority is still PBA. So we were talking back and forth, and they're actually very happy naman. That people or teams from other countries are recognizing my name. They told me that. And I said thank you to them, of course, without Northport, di ba? Without Coach Bonnie, Coach Pido, and Boss Eric Ariola. And parang hindi ko naman mararating din di ba? So somehow, may, di ba, ano rin sila, may credit din sila. And
Right.
then, yeah, yung SK um, wanted me actually to have an answer right away.
Mm.
Are you signing with us or no? And ano, I asked them actually, sabi ko, I don't have an answer right now, or I can't give you an answer um until middle of the month, kasi I told them na, out of respect for my team, I also want to give them time, maybe, di ba, for us to negotiate, kasi I played there for 3 years. And and then yun. So may mga we talked a lot, and yeah, I nag-decide ako. That was 17, no? No,
Somewhere
no, no,
there.
no, no. It was 30, 25, 26.
Somewhere
No,
there.
no. Somewhere there, somewhere after mid-May. Yeah.
After mid. Correct, correct. I remember kasi we were in touch then, you and I.
Yeah,
Kasi,
yeah, yeah.
oo. So, parang, I think it was last Friday naging official na you signed and they announced na you're joining SK, di ba?
Mm, yeah.
Actually,
It
funny
was actually
story. Oh,
it was my daughter's birthday, actually.
the same day.
The same
Wow.
day, they said, okay, we're ready to announce. Diba I told you and I can't. Prior to that, okay, I signed with them like few days before that, but they asked me to, can you keep it secret first there in the
Mm-mm.
Philippines, because they're still processing some papers or something. Mi- uh they're parang may inaayos pa sila ng mga papers and everything. So I said yes, and I told you that. Remember?
Thank
So
you, thank you. Yeah,
yeah.
yeah. Actually, funny story, bro. So, nag-actually ligpit na ako ng bag ko, linagay ko na lahat ng gamit ko. Tapos paalis na ako, I was gonna go to my car na. Tapos biglang nakita ko yung message mo. Sabi ko, nako, this might be it. So I opened it, nakita ko, okay, we're gonna announce soon. Biglang, alright, just put the bag down, bring the
Yeah.
Pero perfect timing, no? If your message came like 2 minutes later and nasa car na ako, hindi ko ma-announce yun. Pero it all
Sakto.
worked out. Sobrang sakto. Fucking timing. But I remember then na before you decided to go to the KBL to sign with SK, there was a part of you pa na was interested in returning sa Northport, di ba? Was
Mhm.
interested in re-signing with them long term and staying in the PBA because like you said, yung family mo is here. You established yourself na sa PBA, reigning best player of the conference. How how legit was your thinking na baka magstay na nga actually ako sa Northport after even after speaking to the KBL teams, or was it more of parang sige kung mag-offer sila ng contract pag-isipan ko, pero half of my mind nasa Korea na eh. What was yung mindset mo?
Yeah. Honestly, nung time na yun, I really wanted to stay with Northport. Gusto ko rin na tapusin yung conference, kasi like, to be honest, I was looking at winning MVP, kasi I have the VP sila, di ba? So I have a big
Siyempre.
chance of winning the MVP. Like finally, matatalo si Junmar. Di ba? Like, but I'm not saying that that's sure, pero medyo malaki yung chance ko eh. And I felt like if tapusin ko to, malay mo, manalo ako, or I could, it's another parang breakout conference again. So, and then prior to this conference, ang layo ng narating namin. We went to the semifinals. And then the next year, we got the same team with JM Calma coming back. So I was thinking, oh, I think we have a big chance again na na makalayo ulit sa conference. And trades happened, injuries left and right. So I felt like parang, oops, medyo medyo malabo
Mm.
yung chances namin ngayon. And yeah, and during that time I was talking to the management, di ba, negotiating and all. So unfortunately hindi kami nag-meet halfway. But it was maayos yung usap namin. It was peaceful negotiation.
Amicable,
Yeah.
oh,
Mhm.
amicable
Yeah,
solution.
yeah, and they were very happy. So nagpaalam ako sa kanila, told them na yeah, I'm ready to sign in Korea. And they told me, actually, Coach Bonnie told me, yeah, we're open whenever you want to go back. Northport, yung pinto ng Northport is open para sa'yo. And I really appreciate that. Sabi ko, I'm very thankful. Yeah. And yeah.
Of course, yeah. We have to credit si Sir Bonnie and the Northport team for
Hmm.
saying on the record and even to the media na they would welcome you back with open
Hmm.
arms. May hopefully after a long time because hopefully you have a good long KBL
Hmm.
career. You
Yeah.
signed 3 years. Yung
Uh,
3 years ba lahat yun like guaranteed or iba dun player option, team option? Is it like
we have it's 2 years guaranteed, but the third year, they open it for renegotiation.
okay, so option
Yeah,
year. Got you,
yeah,
got you.
it's an
Okay.
option. Yeah.
So at least 2 years because a lot of
At
players
least.
a lot of players yung first year is the adjustment period, 'di ba?
Hmm.
Na kasi hindi lang in basketball, 'di ba? Like a lot of the players who go abroad, they say this all the time. You're living in a new country bago lahat, 'di ba? So
Hmm.
yung routine mo, washing clothes, eating your food. I mean, ngayon, hindi ka makakahanap ng Mang Inasal kung saan mo gusto. Nakita ko yung post mo eh.
True.
Nagalit ka sa
Tama.
Mang Inasal. Tinanggal yung Mais con Hielo ba yun? Or
Yung,
halo?
yung four cheese, yung four
Forge.
cheese,
Oh.
halo-halo. Eh, mga inasal, kung nanonood kayo, please, balik nyo
Balik.
naman.
Guys, aalis na si Arvin. Hindi siya makakapag Mang Inasal for a long time.
Next year
uh,
na ulit.
oh, di ba? Or, padala ka natin ng Mang Inasal, pare.
Sa
Pero yun yung example, di ba? So, wala nang Manam or wala nang Mang Inasal.
mm,
Wala nang Jollibee. Oh, so,
Jollibee.
KBBQ ka na. Dati yung KBBQ, 'di ba? Once a week, once a month. Ngayon, paka everyday makapag KBBQ ka na, 'di ba?
Yeah. Totoo.
So little things like that. Pati yung surroundings, yung people, right? Because obviously the Koreans are nice, but iba yung yung how do you say this? Yung warmth of the Filipino people and
Mhm.
how family oriented they are, how nice they are, 'di ba? Minsan dito sa Pilipinas, alam natin kung may gusto tayong gawin, kailangan lang natin sabihin yung magic words, ako na bahala sa'yo. Hindi ko alam kung gagana yan sa
Yeah.
Korea.
Yeah.
So, the good news for you is you're bringing your wife with you and eventually your family. So at least my familiarity there.
Mhm.
Compared to like other players, like for example, a One or a Javi, mag-isa silang pumunta, 'di ba? So
Mhm.
that can get a little scary sometimes. What are some of the challenges you feel you will face moving to another country and trying to parang get used to a new culture while also having to perform on the court? Because obviously SK saw your potential, but with the contract they gave you, may expectations yan, 'di ba?
Mhm. I think the one thing na talagang kailangan kong mag-adjust is yung culture. Not just sa society but also sa basketball, di ba? I have no idea actually what the culture there is in terms of basketball. So yun yung isang excited din ako to find out. And then of course the society. I'm bringing my kids with me. They're going to school there. Of course, my wife. So yun yung isang magiging challenge, not just for me, but for us as a family. And I think also that's why a lot of, this is just my my opinion. Siguro kasi sa KBL they get mga college players straight from out of college. And wherever you play pro, 'di ba, as a college guy, think there's that transition period. Even here in the PBA, we can see that naman, di ba? Very very rare ka makakita ng player na there's already an immediate impact. And especially there when you're called an Asian import, di ba? That's a big, ano ba to, parang chip on your shoulder. So I guess that's a pressure na um like for me, medyo magaan sa akin kasi I've been a pro for 5 years now.
Mm-mm, mm-mm.
And, I know
Mature ka na eh.
uh
You're
matured white
29 na, di ba?
yeah.
29, so you
Mhm.
have a family, mature. Go on, yeah.
In terms of, basketball maturity, I'm there. So, the flexibility, yung how I adjust. So I think it's gonna be there. Although I'm not saying it's gonna be easy, pero at least, 'di ba? I have that 5 year experience of being a pro na dala ko doon. And yeah, I I hope maging okay ako. Yeah. I'm a flexible guy, I'm a smart guy. Madali naman ako mag-adjust. So we'll see.
I just thought about it. Ang cute siguro no yung mga anak mo. Papalit nila yung hairstyles nila. Tapos yung mga outfits nila. Parang Korean culture na. Tapos they might even learn to speak the native language. So when they come back sa Philippines, so alam din nila mag-Korean, di ba? So it's good for them also. I mean, I'm a believer na for kids to experience different cultures, different environments. It's good from an early age because it opens the doors for them to realize na there's more to the world and there's more to life than what's in the Philippines, 'di ba? I mean, like
True, very true, bro.
for you dito ka lumaki, ako dito din ako lumaki. So our definition of what the world was when we were kids was ano yung nakikita natin sa Pilipinas. Para sa
Pilipinas,
atin,
yeah.
yan na yun, di ba? But for your kids, now they get to meet other people, they get to see, and there'll be challenges, there'll be ups and downs, pero ultimately, it will be what's best for them. So, what
Mhm.
you're doing, to some degree, hindi na din para sa'yo, para sa family mo na din. Even your
Mhm.
wife,
True.
right? I mean, she'll get to make new friends, she'll get, I'm not sure if your wife is into face mask products, but sa Korea, madami, so, baka magustuhan niya yon and
Yeah, yan
obviously the
actually
food,
yung isang excited si Brandy, my wife.
all the
Na-
products and all.
Mga products sila, very, ano sila sa skin eh. Oh,
Exactly. Exactly.
yun.
So, exciting yun. Patay ka o face mask ka na din at night
Ayun
bago ka
nga eh,
matulog.
yun yung lagi niyang sinasabi sa akin eh. Sir, tara ano tayo doon, gamit tayo ng mga facial whatever. Sabi ko, sige.
Sige,
Why
go
not, di ba?
lang. Why not?
Pampapogi din yan, sayang.
Malay mo, mapa-endorsement ka dyan sa Korea, di ba?
Oo.
Or ma-discover ka ng K-pop group. Tingnan
Yeah.
na lang natin yung
Malay
singing
mo.
mo at yung dancing mo. No, pero sa basketball though, obviously papasok ka to an SK team na nasa finals sila just recently, di ba? In fact, they almost had a 0-3 finals.
Almost.
Pinapanood
Mhm.
mo yun siguro no, while you were waiting.
I
Like,
actually thought they were gonna win it.
wow, wow. But what's nice
Down
is
0-3 and then three straight games. They won three straight games. Momentum is in their
their
side.
side. Yeah. Sayang, muntik na.
Muntik.
Pero we have to give props to Carl Tamayo, another
Si
Filipino
Carl eh.
baller.
Oy, Carl!
Champion sa B-League, champion sa KBL, UAP, PBA na lang daw
Oh,
kulang. Uh,
grabe.
pero that's nice din bro because makakasama mo, even not all the time, makikita mo si KQ, kung hindi siya mag-NBA, makikita mo si Carl, makikita mo si Javi, makikita mo si SJ, di ba? And mangkilala mo to eh.
Mhm.
Iba dyan, mga Adidas bros mo. But you're going to a team, unlike yung sa iba, like for example si KQ sa Sono, pagpasok niya, pwede na siya mag-KQ mode kaagad eh. Kasi
Mhm.
hindi sila winning team, kailangan nila siya to do what he does. Pero for you, I'm curious na you're going from a team sa Northport where ikaw yung go-to guy. Like you can take what shots you want, you can ask for the ball, you can run the offense. to an SK team na baka hindi ka bibigay, at least not all the time, you won't have that same
Mhm.
green light. Kasi like we said, contenders na sila eh. So may system na sila, may players na sila. So are you ready to, if it's required, are you ready to go back to being like a role player to a championship team instead of a go-to guy for like in Northport?
Oo naman. Yun actually yung nilalagay ko sa utak ko eh. You know, when pag nagpunta ako doon, um, I'm not there to take over. Diba? I'm not there to like, oh, okay, you guys go to the side. It's my turn. I'm
Correct.
not I'm not I'm not that
Clear out. ISO, ISO.
yeah, I'm not the type of player, di ba? I've been a role player. I've always been a guy who's into winning. I don't care whatever it takes, di ba? Kung ano man yung kailangan kong step back, di ba? And that team, SK team they have the MVP in An
Mm.
Young-jun and the best import in Jamil Warney. So like that team is established, di ba?
Mm-mm.
That's why I have to tell myself na, yeah, I'm not here to take over, I'm here to help you guys, to help the team win the championship. I'm not gonna demand or go in a game thinking I'll score 20, 30, but I have to do this, I have to do that for us to win. I don't think that's the case, no? Pagpunta ko doon. Whatever system na nira-run nila, di ba? I have to put myself dun sa system. Di ba? I'm not gonna change anything. Di ba? And I'm sure kasi the coach is very, very excited to meet me and to to join the team. So I'm sure may plans sila, di ba, for me. And I have to be ready whatever it is. Um, you know, um, kung kung ano man yung kailangan. If they want me to be a spot-up shooter, yeah, I can do that. If they want me to play the big man, yeah, I can do that. Whatever it is, basta yung makakatulong sa team na yung alam kong makakatulong sa team, yun, doon ako magfo-focus. So, yeah. Yeah.
Pero minsan, kung kailangan 20 points, kaya mo pa rin, di ba?
Well, I'm capable. I can say that. I'm capable. I'm capable.
I,
Very.
I like it. It's very true. By the way, very true. Alam mo, Arvin, correct me if I'm wrong. Yung last championship mo was nung nasa San Beda High School ka pa ba? Or have you won a championship since then?
I won sa Hinebra.
Sa Hinebra. Okay,
I
okay.
won twice.
Were you playing a lot of minutes na for Hinebra at that when you guys won the championship?
First championship ko with Hinebra was the first ever PBA bubble.
Mm-mm.
Yun and that was my very first conference sa PBA, like as a pro.
As a
So
pro.
that time, medyo, di ba um, yung playing time or yung impact ko sa team is medyo minimal pa lang kasi we had so many veterans uh, the time.
Correct, correct.
Although, uh, I think meron naman ako ambag, nakaambag naman din ako doon, di ba? And I was very young, straight out of college. And then the next one was 2 years or a year after. That was the time na medyo I played a bigger role na, di ba? I was the
Mm-mm.
designated shooter of the team. And yeah, so yun. And yung mga ganon, I accept that. I was never a designated shooter. I can shoot before, pero when the team needed that, I had to convert myself into that kind of player, which helped me a lot. Like right now, I can shoot whenever, and I really worked on that. Me and Coach Tim was always working on that one. He would always talk to me and tell me kung ano yung whatever I need to work on. And yeah, I was there for 3 years, and that's all I was working on. And then
Did
I
you
transferred to Northport, and medyo yun yung role ko din medyo mas malaki na not just as a shooter, parang um the main guy na eh. One of the main guys. I mean, that was me and Robert during that
Yes,
time.
sir. I remember that. The fearsome duo kayo nun eh. And then naging
Yeah.
kay ni Will Navarro, tapos na-trade si Navarro. Meron din
Mm,
Xavier for a while, na-trade si Xavier.
yeah. Josh
So,
Monson is also, yeah,
Josh
my partner.
Monzon. Did you ever think na before the KBL opportunity arrived and you were still in the PBA, did you ever think na Northport would not be your last PBA team? Did you ever envision na you would end up with another PBA team? Or you thought na pa kasi Northport ka na buong career mo?
Well, actually, I never thought na I was gonna finish my career sa Northport eh. Kasi we all
Mm.
know naman how PBA is, di ba? There are trades left and right. Very rare yung player na
One team
magtatapos
lang.
sa isang team, di ba?
Unless June
Um,
Marca or like
unless you're yeah, June Moore
yeah,
or
exactly.
like
Unless
Mark
or a Gabe
Kagiwa or
Norwood ganon. Yeah.
Gabe Norwood, mga ganon.
Mm-mm.
So I was always, trying to expand my game, work on my game kasi malay mo, bukas sa ibang team na ako. Or malay mo bukas, iba na yung role na gagawin ko, na gagampanan ko dito sa team namin, Northport o kung ano mang team kung saan ako matitrade. So, yeah, that's why I'm always working on my game, yung trying to expand.
Well, now you've expanded all the way to South Korea, where
Yeah.
masarap ang pajong. No, joke lang. Masarap ang soju.
Yun.
Okay, well, change. You know. Let Curious lang ako, no? Na, okay, actually, before we go to college ball, I have to bring up NBA. Kasi matagal ka ng OKC fan, bro. OKC
Oo
fan
naman.
ka. Westbrook Durant days pa lang eh.
KD, yeah, the
KD.
trio.
KD. Like, this was when 2014 pa ata, di ba? Before ka pumasok ng UAP, OKC fan ka na eh. So, you
Oh,
stayed an OKC fan kahit after umalis si
the
KD?
whole time, the whole
The
time. Actually,
whole
mas
time.
I started watching them kasi nung madadraft pa lang si KD actually. I saw him.
Mm.
Meron, ayan. I saw him. I was picked number 2 by the Supersonics nun. I was like, uy, okay to ah. Kasi ang laki niya. Tapos, marunong siya
Shooter.
shooter. Tapos, siya unicorn siya that time eh. Di ba?
Parang ikaw to some
Six
degree, di
nine.
ba?
Yeah,
Parang
true.
ikaw
Kasi ako
at
na
that point,
dati,
oh.
malaki ako eh.
Mm-mm.
Matangkad ako. I can shoot. I can dribble double. Sabi ko parang, uy, medyo okay to i-idolize ah. So, naging fan
Siyempre,
ako na ni
siyempre.
KD. And then naging a year after, a year after naging OKC sila. And then they drafted Westbrook. The next year they drafted Harden
Harden.
and Ibaka.
Ibaka. Mm-mm.
Yeah. So yun yung parang so by 2009 or 10 medyo lakas na nung favorite team ko plus idol ko pa si Kevin Durant nun. Then and then KD left. Parang
Sakit.
oh, very.
So, hindi ka naging
Very-
Warriors fan. You stayed with
No,
OKC.
no, nagstay
Sabi ko
ako.
na nga
I
ba,
was
loyal
actually
guy ito
mad at
eh.
KD.
Oh. So, what made you want
Nainis
to
ako kay KD
stay
nun.
sa OKC? Was it loyalty lang talaga? That was the main factor?
It was, I think, the kind of move that KD did.
Mm.
Kasi, yeah, I was a very big Kevin Durant fan. And then I remember nung yun eh. I was almost midnight nung yun eh.
Lumabas!
In-announce
Oo!
di
I
ba remember?
remember, mga
I was
11:45
midnight.
yun. Yes.
Yeah.
Oh.
I
Matutulog na ako,
remember
tapos
that.
nakita ko, I was like, oh, shit. Good.
KD signed with Mars. I'm like, what? Before nun, nasa semi-final sila. Western Conference Final. They were up 3-1.
3-1, yes. Tapos yung Klay
3-1 sila, di
Thompson
ba?
game
And
yung
then Klay
sumabog si Klay.
Thompson
Oo.
game 7. Grabe. Tapos, yun yung medyo masakit kasi you feel na, okay, next year, same team, run it back, let's run it back. Okay, yari na kayo kasi may experience na. Older, more experience. And then KD left. I was like, ano ba yan?
Cupcake.
Yeah. So, yun, doon ako nag-stop na, what? No, you don't do that. You would
Tama.
go to a team that eliminated you the year before. So, I stayed. And nung time na yun, wala na si James Harden eh. Kasi
Mm.
contract issues, parang ayaw siya bayaran ng extra 4 million.
Imagine mo, no, kung
So,
binayaran lang siya.
di
Oh
ba?
my,
I'm not saying it's just 4 million, but for an NBA team, what's 4
grabe.
million? Just give it to him.
I bet they would make a different decision now if they knew, di ba? Correct.
I'm sure, yeah, I'm sure.
Tapos naging Paul George, Carmelo, and Russ, di ba? One
Melo,
season.
Russ, yeah.
Yes. And then,
CP was there also.
CP. Actually, yung CP,
CP3.
importante yung 1 year na yun, bro.
Yeah,
Tinuruan niya
yeah,
si
kasi na
SGA no?
SGA. And they went to nag-playoff sila
Playoffs.
noon. I think
Mm-mm.
first round lang sila, first round exit. But still, that team hindi mo naman nila expect mag to playoffs, di ba? Looking at
Tama.
that team before,
Game
during
7 pa
that
sila
time, parang
natalo, di ba?
the game 7 niya. Exactly. So parang wow, grabe yung impact ni Chris Paul.
Mm-mm. Wow. Tapos, now, you have a team na, to some degree, reminds me of the old OKC team nung bata pa sila. So,
Yeah.
you have SGA, you have Jalen Williams, you have Chet. Ang ganda ng roster construction, bro, kasi
Yeah.
meron kang go-to guy, number one option, SGA. Number two option, Jalen.
Mhm.
Meron kang big man na parang stretch big na medyo flexible si Chet. Pero meron
Si
ka din
Chet, yeah.
yung big man na
Isaiah
bruising,
Hartenstein, yeah.
si iHeart. Oh. Tapos, ang daming role player na perfect for
Diba
the
sila
team. 'Di ba? Like,
Caruso,
exactly. Like si
yeah.
Ang tawag sa kanya,
Lou Dort,
Dort,
Lou
pero
Dort, Dortcher
Dortcher
Chamber.
Chamber. Exactly. Oh. Tapos Caruso, veteran,
Yeah.
champion din. Tapos yung Kayson Wallace, bata,
Jason
pero
Wallace, yeah.
tapos pati yung mga guys na wala masyadong minutes, magaling din. Sila Isaiah
Pero, yeah,
Joe, si Aaron Wiggins, di ba?
Aaron Wiggins, yeah.
So, two questions. One, do you think they beat Indiana sa finals? And two, sino mas magaling? The OKC right now or the OKC na nag-finals in 2012 nung nandun sila KD, Russ, and Harden?
Medyo mahirap yan. First question, I believe, they're gonna sweep Pacers.
Wow! Bring out the brooms!
Sweep, yeah. Um, or at least 4-1. I'll give one game to the Pacers.
Okay,
Siguro.
okay.
Okay, and then second, it's very hard eh. Actually, pinag-iisipan ko rin yan. I'd still go sa 2012 OKC. That's
Wow,
a very
really?
different one, yeah. Um, ano lang talaga eh. Yung Big Three ng Miami lang talaga yung tumalo sa kanila eh.
Yes, sir.
And they were young that time.
That's true. The youth,
Mhm.
nakita mo talaga parang minama na ni LeBron sa finals, di ba?
Oo.
Na katawan ng
D-Wade, grabe.
D-Wade. Grabe. Grabe. But you know what? If the team stayed together, they would have won a championship. Pero I mean, look
Ah,
at you
yeah,
now.
at least three.
At least three. Like, look at you now. 13 years later, you stayed loyal sa OKC.
Yes.
And you have another contender you're rooting
Yes.
for that hopefully this time Sam Presti learned from his mistakes na. He'll keep the core
No,
together
yeah.
na. Diba? Okay, who
Pero
will...
I think that's gonna be hard for him eh. Kasi these
Mm,
players are very young, di ba? They get
true.
their contracts, di ba?
Yeah,
So
yeah.
that's the reality of the NBA eh.
Grabbing
So,
contract sa
well, hopefully
NBA.
the core lang, di ba? Yung 3 to 4 players ng core. At tama,
Chet,
ganun.
Jalen, SGA. Diba?
SGA and Lou
Tama.
Dort. I'll take Lou Dort.
Who's the better one-on-one player, KD or SGA? So SGA MVP or KD MVP season? Better one-on-one player
I think it's still KD
because of the height,
because of the size, yeah.
because of the size.
Size.
But bro, grabe yung SGA. You know who he reminds me of, pare? Tatawa
Who?
ka. Kobe.
Oh, wait.
The
Mm,
mid-range, the footwork. Kobe na may konting Jordan. Or
Pwede, pwede.
who's your
Yeah, I agree.
comparison? Who's your comparison for SGA?
Um, Ito, tatawa ka rin.
Ah,
Paul Pierce. I see him as a mini Paul Pierce.
actually,
Di ba?
correct.
I see him as a
Correct.
mini Paul Pierce. Like,
So,
contrapelo moves. He's not the fastest, di ba? But
mm,
one burst of like, boom. And
Boom.
then body, use the body, fade,
And,
footwork.
and bawal mong hawakan, may foul kasi, di ba?
Yeah, Paul Merchant.
So
But
if Paul,
that's part of the game, di ba?
correct.
Like,
I mean, si Harden, di ba? Part of the game
yeah.
din. Tama.
That's
So,
annoying actually when you're watching or you're playing against that. That's kind of what I do also. If you
ah,
if ano mo,
true,
if
true.
sinusubaybayan mo yung PBA. For the past 2 years, I was leading the PBA in free
Free
throw
throws.
attempts. Like
Alam mo,
ang layo.
college pa lang, marunong ka namang ganyan eh. Naalala ko yun. Sabi ko, wait,
Yung mga gulang.
shooter to, pero nasa free throw time lagi. Nasa free throws
Yeah.
lagi. So since Paul Pierce, ibig sabihin sa final, si SGA din, magpapa-wheelchair, pero kailangan lang tumae.
Wag lang yun, wag. Wag lang. Cringe yun, cringe.
All right, all right. Hey, quick question. Who's the biggest foul baiter sa PBA? Okay, wag foul baiter. Sabihin natin best at drawing fouls in the PBA. Is it you or is it someone else?
It's me. It's gotta be me. It's me.
I
They
like that.
actually, I feel like they somehow parang change on how they call fouls on me. Like
Mm.
minsan, coming off handoff. So if I know you're trailing me, I get that I catch the ball like and immediately like um
Stop.
gather, stop, and then jump, and you're on my tail. So
Hit
you're
na. So
gonna
automatic.
oh hindi ka mag-foul. And
The
I feel like
momentum
the
eh, di ba?
yeah,
Hinahabol ka, so bang.
uh,
Oo, yun.
I feel like they changed that the past two conferences na when I do that parang they're just letting it go. Like stop doing that.
Stop doing that. So,
Yeah.
whenever you get foul calls, yung mga defenders mo lagi nagko-complain right away. That's not a foul,
Sobra. And
hindi a
the
foul.
whole team, the whole team. Tapos when I shoot kasi the ball, like catch and shoot, I shoot going forward eh. Yung momentum is going forward. Parang
Landing.
yeah, you know how Carmelo Anthony shoots. So he
Yes,
shoots going
yes.
forward. And I'm a smart guy. I know when you're closing out very hard on me, I would throw my body like very ifo-forward ko talaga siya. And I would baka ma-scout ako dito. And I would kick my foot a
Like,
little bit. A little bit. Para
yung
lang
hindi
sumabit.
obvious.
And then, yeah. And then, of course, konting sell.
Pero
And
bro,
that's a foul.
hindi ka ba natatakot minsan that because you're moving how your body is in the air, number one, are you afraid na it might affect your shot because yung body mo might be going like that and then yung shooting form mo hindi na
Mm.
straight? And two, are you ever afraid na, di ba isang tapilok lang, paka-out ka for a few weeks kung masama yung landing?
Yung, no, that's my natural shot kasi. Yung
Mm.
natural shot ko is really going forward. Like, when I jump forward. So when I jump sa labas ng 3 points, ang ending ko is 2 feet inside the 3-point area. So
It's
yun
always been
yung,
like that. Or did you
it's
develop
always
that?
been like that. Always
Okay,
been like
okay.
that. Medyo, kasi when I got to the pros, I worked on my 3-point shooting, like catch and shoot, yung off movement. So I'll really run fast and then catch. And then when I jump, nandito na kasi sa taas yung release ko eh. It's not from sa baba.
Hip.
Kasi pag sa
Oo.
baba, you don't need to jump eh. So I have to
Correct.
really jump for me to shoot the ball. So I can shoot it like kahit nasa taas na, kahit pa forward, pa side yung momentum ko, I can still, shoot it. Tawag dito, medyo komportable ako i-shoot yun.
Parang
Kaya
Carmelo
yun,
talaga eh.
like Melo, exactly like Melo actually.
Like Carmelo.
Uh, and
Interesting.
then I don't think matatapilok ka ng malala eh, shooting the ball.
Mm.
I don't, may sprain ka, pero alam mo yung manageable na, unless may injury ka na before nun, or mahina yung ankle mo. Pero I've experienced that a lot of times, like a lot of times, na tatapakan, tapos matatapilok. Parang ano lang, pitik lang. And
Pitik
then,
lang.
ganun lang. But
Ice
you
lang
can still
yan.
play. Hindi mo like, hindi mo iinday.
Tama.
Well,
Painkillers lang yan.
unless you jump na like very high na talon ka and then
Masama
babagsakan mo,
talaga. Oo.
matatapakan mo, yun yung masama. Yeah. Pero when I jump, when you shoot, di ka naman like tatalon ng sobrang taas eh.
Tama. Yung sakto lang.
Di ba?
Para, oo.
Sakto lang yeah.
Correct,
Oo.
correct. Gets. Yung sa UAAP, obviously, yung UAAP now compared to when you started, sobrang lumaki na. Di ba? College basketball in
Mhm.
general lang laki na.
Sobra. Sobra.
Sobra,
Pati yung
sobra.
allowance nga, laki na eh.
Um,
Di ba?
Pero, okay, we'll get to that. Actually, I'm saving that for later. Pero, yung first question ko, bro, are there ever times you look back at your college career and you think, sayang, sana nag-champion ako para ma-experience ko? Or sayang kung finocus ko yung academics ko, part ako ng champion team ni Coach Tab sa Ateneo. Or, stuff like, if I focused on my game a little more, baka mas magaling pa ako na college. Do you have anything that you wish you could change from your college career or no regrets ka?
Well, no regret. Parang regret kasi for me is very big word. I don't regret anything. Um, pero marami akong what if. Alam mo yun?
Parang
What
sliding
if?
doors moment. Oo,
Na,
correct.
di ba? Na, like, and then, yung last na sinabi mo na, if I just really focused on my game, I feel like, yeah, I could have won like at least won a championship. Lalo nung nasa FEO.
Yung muntik din na
Yeah.
matalo yung Ateneo, di ba?
Nung, yeah, that. So, kung nag-focus lang talaga, like, alam mo yung focus, like, you really want to, like, be better, papa-condition ka like 110%. You're going into the season like 110% na condition ka, laser focus. So, I feel like if, di ba, if gano'n. And also, when I was with Ateneo, so, na yung rookie year ko, if I was mature enough, I think um, malaki yung chance na mag-champion kami nila Keith. That was me,
Mm.
Keith, Von,
One seed
Newsome,
kayo eh, di
Nico.
ba?
Yeah. So I feel like if I was, matured enough, feel like mas malaki yung impact ko dun sa team na yun.
Naalala ko, sumabog ka out of the gates eh. Parang you early on pa lang, favorite ka na for Rookie of the Year. You did end up winning Rookie of the Year
I
and
did, yeah.
then pero sa Final Four, medyo nag-slow down siguro feeling ko, iba din yung condition level ng UAAP compared sa high school eh. 'Di ba?
Iba, yeah.
Sobra. So, the opening weeks, medyo, okay, amped up ka pa, may energy ka kasi matagal ka
Mhm.
hindi naglaro. Pero as the season went on, nakikita mo na parang pagod na yung katawan ng konti.
Pagod, yeah.
Di ba? And malaki
Yeah,
yung mga kalaban mo eh.
that's exactly what happened nun. Tsaka, yun pa, I was playing big man nun eh. Pero
Oo, yeah.
manipis ako and I was young for a big man nun. And ang mga kalaban ko nun, mga imports, sila Troy, si
Perkins.
Troy Rosario, Jason Perkins na talagang ano na eh, mama
Di
na
ba?
kumbaga eh. Ako,
Tapos si Perkins
18
pa
years
nun,
old.
malaki pa si
Ano siya,
Perkins, di ba? So,
bulky siya
gag.
nun. Talagang, ano
Laki.
siya, he's really gonna throw his body on you.
Van Opstal, Norbert
Van
Torres.
style, yeah.
Grabe.
Um,
Alfred Aroga.
si Aronia, yeah. Diba, si Charles
Jeez.
Mommy was there pa actually. I remember
Bro.
one game.
Oh my
Nag
God.
fouled out si Fonzo nun. So we had G-Boy and then foul trouble din si G-Boy. So I had to play the five with Charles Mommy there.
Away ko po,
Sabi ko,
bro.
grabe. Si Mommy dati, ano lang siya eh. Talagang isi-steal ka lang niya kahit walang kwentang steal, kahit hindi kasama sa play. Sasandalan ka lang niya. Gaganon lang siya sa'yo. Tapos pagka nag-swim na, tsaka isi-seal ka niya na talaga. So I was really all the time, like for 24 seconds, naka-lean lang talaga ako sa kanya. But it worked actually. We won that game. And there was a timeout. Si G-Boy Babilonio was going, isa sub na dapat. I think that was Newsome was playing the four, I was the five. Von, Keith, and Nico yung lineup namin nun. For two possessions. Okay, Charles. Kasi tulakan lang eh. Okay ako pag ganun tulakan. So I told Coach Bon, no, Coach, let me, yung isa pa, Coach.
Oh.
Gumagano'n ako sa kanya. Sabi ko, ano niya. So, sige, gusto mo ah.
Si Coach Bo, 'di ba? Si Coach Bo to.
Coach Bo. So yun, okay naman. Nakastop kami one more. And then the next play, pumasok na si G-Boy. Ano na. Okay na yun.
Eh, sa FEU hindi ka nag-big man, 'di ba? More of wing ka na sa FEU or
No, I played the four. All
So
throughout my college career, four
did
ako.
you ever have to guard Ben Embala?
Actually, I never played him. Never
Talagang,
played against him. Yeah.
'di ba yung
Kasi
2017?
um we were so nung paglipat ko ng FEU, wait, did I play Ben?
'Di ba
I
'di ba
think
nag-residency ka 2016 and then you started
16,
playing sa FEU 2017. Nandun pa si Ben. So
17.
you
Nandun si
probably
Ben
played
ng
him.
17, di ba? No,
Yes.
pero kasi every time we're playing them, suspended ako.
Naalala ko.
Di ba? Di ba, for nung 2017, first round, I was suspended. Na-thrown out ako against Adamson. Ang next game namin was Lasal.
Oh my
And
God, bro.
then, right after na pagbalik ko, that was against UST Samoa. I got
Suspended.
suspended again. So for 2 games na. Then, ang next game namin nun was Ateneo. And then the
Uh,
second game was Lasal.
Ay, bro, naalala
Kaya,
ko. I'm not sure if you remember this, yung one game na suspended ka, or na ejected ka, di ba? Unsportsmanlike foul. Nakita kita, lumalabas ka ng ano, sa Araneta pa tayo, tapos pumasok ka ng locker room. Tapos, after the game, nanalo pa kayo, that one game na
yeah.
nasuspended. Tapos lumabas ka, gumaganyan-ganyan ka, yeah, boys! Nakita ka ni Boss Mark, Arvin, pasok!
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm like, oh, damn!
Was crazy. My college.
Grabe yun, no, bro.
Kaya
As in,
ganun.
I remember, alam mo, yun yung first major breaking news ko, yung anim kayong suspended because of academics sa Ateneo. You, Hubert, Jerry, CJ, sino pa ba yung dalawa?
Clint
Si
Dolinguez, John Apasible.
Doliges, and Apasible. Si
So
Counselor,
actually seven.
seven.
Si K. Mark Carino din.
Oh,
Kasama namin.
imagine mo, I mean, from you seven, ang galing, di ba? Parang,
Di ba? Ano, core na yun eh.
core na yun. Tapos, you know what's crazy pa, bro? Even after seven kayong nasuspended, nag-finals pa yung Ateneo that year.
Yeah. They
Di
went to the
ba?
finals. So,
Grabe. So, only imagine, if you guys weren't suspended, tapos that year yung Mayhem Lasal, sila Embala, sila Chiron, what a finals matchup that would have been.
oo. Ang exciting sana yun.
Grabe.
Makakalaro ko na sana si Ben Embala. No?
Na hindi ka suspended, di ba?
Tapos ano pa, yung before nung season nun, we played sa Davao eh. Remember the brawl?
Oo, yeah, 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 yeah.
Oh, doon. So, kalaban namin sila. Pero si Ben nun kasi naglalaro siya sa national team ng
Ng
Cameroon?
Cameroon,
Or
sa FIBA, FIBA
Cameroon.
Afro.
Yun, nandun siya. So, so let's not talk about that. The bro.
Good times, good times.
Yeah, good times.
Learning lessons, learning lessons.
Mhm.
Pero,
Yeah.
bro, so, nowadays, yung perks of being a college player, parang pro ka na eh, di ba? And,
Oo.
honestly, it's not like sa Philippines lang nangyayari to. I mean, in the US NCAA, there are now things called the NIL
NIL.
deals. Yes. Name and image, and I think that's how it goes. I forgot the letter L. But, for example, someone like Cooper Flag made millions of dollars kahit hindi pa naglalaro sa NBA. And, si CJ Cancino told me this one time. And I'll never forget it kasi it changed my outlook. Sabi niya, alam mo bro, because of us yung players, kumikita yung schools. 'Di ba?
Mhm.
They make marketing money sa UAAP, nagti-ticket sales ang UAAP, may merchandising
Mhm.
sales yung mga teams because binibenta yung t-shirts with the names. Advertising, syempre, yung UAAP and yung NCAA college basketball, parang business na din siya eh. Kasi sports is a
Mhm.
business naman talaga. PBA is a
True.
business, NBA is a business, di ba? And the business would not work without you guys, the players. Kung wala kayong
Mhm.
players, wala naman liga eh, 'di ba? I mean,
Mhm.
sure there are other players, but there's a reason that you guys are the best of the best. So sabi ni CJ sa akin once, if everyone who's handling the business of sports can make money or extra money, how come kami hindi dapat hindi kami kumukuha. Dapat masaya kami na scholarship lang. And then I thought, like for example, ako writer ako. I could be writing about sports, knock on wood, hopefully till like my late ages, like till my 60s
Mhm.
or maybe my 70s. Doctors and lawyers can work till later in their careers, 'di ba? Pero kayong
Mhm.
athletes, yung windows niyo to maximize ang liit eh, 'di ba?
Like
Parang
maximum 20 at 25 maybe from
and
college to the pros.
exactly. And yung mga pros who last till their 30s, yun yung mga swerte na. 'Di ba?
Mhm.
Because some
Yeah.
pros at their 20s, wala na eh. 'Di ba?
Yeah.
I remember a sports agent told me this. The average life of a PBA player is 3 to 4 years. Now, everyone thinks because of the star players like Arvin Tolentino, like Junmar, o matagal maglalaro mga yan. Pero yun yung mga magagaling. But how about the other guys na
Very
hindi star
few.
players
True.
or not given opportunities? 3 years, wala, one contract, pakawala na sila sa PBA, di ba? So that's why the window to maximize is very small compared to other jobs and professions. And that's why it makes sense na kahit bata ka pa lang, teenager ka pa lang, 15, 16, 18, o magkumita ka na. Because sometimes one injury can change everything in
Mhm.
sports, di ba?
Yeah. Yeah. True.
So,
Very true.
with all of that, now, the other side of the argument is if you are paying college players, wala nang amateurism sa college basketball. Wala na yung spirit
Mhm.
of college basketball. Dapat, may scholarship naman sila. They get to study that. That should be enough. What are your thoughts about the current state of college basketball, particularly players getting paid or players getting benefits?
Well, okay yung ano actually that's a good ano ba to? Observation or ni si CJ Cancino Okay na. Actually ngayon ko lang na-realize yun. And
Matalino yan.
and the 3 years na sinabi ni like whoever the agent is. Yeah, actually I thought it's longer yung average years ng mga pros. Pero, oo nga, na-realize yeah, very few like me, I've had teammates na parang 1 year lang, minsan isang conference na wala na. Parang, oo nga, no?
MPBL na, oo, di ba?
PBL na or saan man. Um, ano lang, medyo, there, I believe may two sides kasi yung pagka ganyan na um, about sa money, di ba?
Mm.
Let's be real, let's be frank, di ba? Pera naman talaga eh. And I'm on the side of the players also. Di ba? Kasi when you're, like I remember, I think we talked about this in the last podcast, di ba? When you're a guy or you're a player, a young player from the, let's say, province na wala ka, na, let's say, mahirap lang naman kayo, di ba? Na wala kang, um, na ikaw yung sumusupport sa family mo. Like, bro, yung 1,000 pesos na allowance, like, yung 1,000 pesos na difference ng allowance would be very, very big. And I've experienced that kasi I came from, poor family lang naman kami. Di ba? So yun yung, like if I'm the player and somebody offers me, let's say, okay, you're offering me 1,000 pesos. The other guy is offering me 2,000.
Mm-mm.
Like I'm playing basketball, di ba? Kung saan man ako pumunta.
Yeah.
But if you're paying me more, um, of course, I'm going there. Depende na lang siguro kung what kind of school, kung anong yung team nyo, kung malakas o hindi, di ba? But hindi ko rin masisisi talaga yung mga players na lilipat because somebody's offering me this na Ewan ko kung totoo ngayon, minsan six digits na yung mga allowance niyo. Like, bro, no
200K a
questions asked.
month,
I'm growing.
150K a month.
If
Tapos
I'm
may bonus
getting,
pa pag mananalo, di ba?
di ba? And that's the reality, especially here in the Philippines. Probably 90% of basketball players are playing basketball to earn money, to help the
Mm-mm.
family, to be able to
Breadwinners.
breadwinners, para makapag-aral. So, like, naintindihan ko yung ganun. Like, kasi ganun din ako eh. Di ba?
You know,
Like,
actually, naalala ko, kwento mo sa akin one time. At one point in high school, naglalaro ka, sira na yung sapatos mo. 'Di ba?
yeah.
Yung
Uh,
soles ng shoes mo, I mean, the fact na
not,
you were able to still play great kahit sira na yung sapatos is still
mm,
great, 'di ba? Pero that's an example of some of the challenges that players go through na kahit
oh,
sapatos walang pangbili, 'di ba?
I remember nun, yung loob ng sapatos ko, ano na eh. Yung may butas na yung loob. Alam mo
Mm.
yun? Yung kung sobrang sad-sad na, wala pa akong pambili ng sapatos eh. Di, okay na yan. At least
'Di ba?
nakakalaro. Di ba? Kung pwede
At
nga
least na
maglaro ng nakayapak o nakachinelas, maglalaro talaga ako. Ang mahal kaya
ay
ng sapatos, 5,000,
mahal.
3,000. Di ba?
Na yun, 'di ba? If you want a top of the line let's say any brand, like yung brand mo Adidas, some of the
Mm.
shoes are like 7 8,000, 'di ba? Some are like 4
Yeah.
5,000. Pero of course, kung nanonood ka ng NBA, ay, gusto ko ng sapatos ni LeBron. Gusto ko ng sapatos ni KD, ni Anthony Edwards. Eh,
So
hindi
yun, ang
mura yun,
mamahal
di
nun.
ba? Oh, di ba?
Oo.
By the way, shout out
Yung,
natin Adidas, 11 years with you. You guys
I
are
love you all. Adidas.
grabe, grabe. Pero
Yeah.
I'm curious na Arvin, yung recruitment mo, kasi you ended up in Ateneo, pero of course hinabol ka din ng LaSalle and San Beda and other schools. Yung at that point, 2013, 2014, so naghahanap ka ng sapatos, you're looking for a way to support your family, your mom, your dad, your siblings, your cousins, di ba? So at that point, part na ba ng usapan yung allowance and bonus kahit early 2010s pa lang?
Pwede ko masabihin ko.
Pwede mo,
Yeah, I guess, di ba?
pu- pwede mo
Oh,
sabihin
let's,
without saying the exact amount. Okay lang, yeah.
tapos naman na eh. But yeah, and that's part of it. Um, they're gonna, um, kung papaaralin nila yung sister ko, I have two sisters that time, yung isa college na also. And then my brother was preschool, papaaralin din. They're gonna give my parents allowance. I have allowance. I have dorm. Um,
Kotse.
that place to stay. Of course, like kung ako kami na walang pambili sapatos, na walang kahit ano, yung parents ko wala man assets, walang ano, nagre-renta lang kami. Yung tatay ko
Paycheck to paycheck.
nagtatari lang ng manok sa sabungan.
Mm-mm.
Of course, wala akong questions kahit anong team yan or kahit anong school yan, I'm going there. Di ba?
Mm-mm.
Kasi yun yung reality. I played basketball to help my parents or to earn money. Di ba? So, yeah, during that time, actually, ano na, nandun na yun. Kaya, kaya rin, di ba? Hindi,
House and
like, I
lot.
feel no, na-feel ko rin yung ganun eh.
Pero understandable, bro, because I'm not a player, pero if I was in your position, I do the same thing.
Di ba?
'Diba? I mean, someone is giving me money to change not just my life, but my family's life.
My families.
How do you say no to that? 'Diba? Like, and like, let's say, okay, let's say, in doubts ka pa, should I take the money? Eh, kung lapitan ka ng nanay mo, alam mo, pwede yan makatulong sa atin, gusto ko na magpahinga, ayoko masyadong nagtatrabaho. Kung nanay mo nagsasabi sa inyo yan, paano ka tatanggi? 'Di ba?
Di
How
ba?
do you say no? How do you say no, 'di ba? I mean, or like for example, some kids may sakit yung parents nila, tapos mahal yung hospital bills or mahal yung clinic bills. Eh, kung makakatulong yan to keep their life going, how do you blame them? 'Di ba? I
Mm,
mean,
totoo.
what's your take though on players who leave their colleges midway through their careers to go for better opportunities? Same lang ba or may difference in that situation?
I guess that's the same. Same lang yun, bro. Same. You just, mas bata ka nga lang sa una, di ba? Pero
Mm-mm.
matutulungan mo pa rin yung family mo eh. Unless, you're getting that amount or already enough, you're getting enough na from this team. And then somebody offers you a bigger one, but enough na dito eh. Diba? So, doon ka na mapapaisip talaga na okay na ako dito kasi nakakapag-aral naman yung kapatid ko. Yung nanay
Mm.
ko, tatay ko hindi na nagtatrabaho. Bagay nasusuportahan ko na. So bakit pa ako pupunta doon? Tapos, syempre may relationship ka na sa mga teammates mo,
Coaches
yung
mo,
coach mo, the
community,
managers, mga classmates mo, yung community mo nandun na, di ba? So,
hindi ka
yun yung,
mag-residency, di ba? All of, oo.
yun yung iba. Yun yung, ano, I think hindi na siguro okay yung ganun if you're getting enough, di ba? Pero unless like sobrang layo na triple or times four, like why
Iba
not? Di
yun,
ba?
iba yun.
Iba yun. Like even in the pros, bro, di ba? In the
Correct.
NBA, million na nga yun, million dollars na yun, di ba? Pero like kanina yung pinag-usapan natin, si James Harden nga for $4 million, he went to the other
Mm-mm.
sa Houston Rockets, di ba? So like we have to parang accept siguro the reality that players would want to earn money. But I think on the other side naman, on the team side, I guess they have to accept also na gano'n na yung mangyayari. So, I think may mga ways din naman eh. May ways din na parang mababalanse din na. Like say, um, let's be real, talagang may money involved. So, o sige, let's say, lagyan natin ng salary cap. 'Di ba? Para fair yung
Correct.
yung ground, no?
You
Say,
mean sa
okay, let's
college
say
basketball?
sa college basketball, ang
Alam mo
tawag na
actually alam mo magkano yung rule ng UAP? Yung maximum allowed allowance per month?
magkano?
15K.
I mean, hey, that's 15K, yeah.
1.5 ah. Pero how often that's followed? Hindi ko alam. Sabihin
Ah,
na lang.
okay, so that's never followed. That's never...
Pero ang sarap siguro ng feeling na at 18 years old, you can go to your parents and tell them, pahinga na kayo. I can take over from here, di ba? I mean,
Oh yeah.
probably what you
When
felt, di ba?
sobrang sobrang saya ko noon kasi actually nung time na before ako mag-college, ang laki na ng utang namin dun sa apartment namin eh. Buti na lang ninang nung kapatid ko yung may-ari. Shout out to Tita Flor. You're the best. Parang 2 taon ata yung utang namin doon. Pero hindi kami pinapalayas. And then yun, tingnan ko nung pa-college na ako, nabayaran namin yun. Tapos, meron kaming place to stay. And then, napag-aral ko yung kapatid ko, scholar, di ba, I have an allowance. So, yun yung mga bagay na, di ba, kailangan intindihin mo rin. From the other people's perspective, siguro yung mga blessed na tao. Medyo mahirap din paniwalaan. Of course, for them, loyalty is, di ba, number
Mm.
one or um, loyalty when it comes to school, gano'n naman eh, di ba? Pero, like, if mapunta ka dun sa position na yun, what would you do? I'm sure most of them would do the same itong ginagawa nitong mga players.
So
I
yung
think lang, kailangan
same,
i-level lang din eh, di ba? Para fair din also. Kasi there are teams din na wala na, like, low budget din naman talaga. Like, um, yeah, I don't wanna name teams kasi hindi naman ako 100% na walang budget. But there are teams na hindi naman din sila talaga willing to give that kind of amount eh, di ba?
tama,
So,
tama. Tama.
kailangan lang siguro i-level.
Terra firma, Blackwater. Na joke lang. So pero so your siblings who you're able to get education because of your commitment, I bet nakapag-graduate na din sila, 'di ba?
Graduate.
Oh,
And my
and
sister.
Congratulations. And the path to them graduating was because of what you decided to do
Mm,
and because of your basketball skills, which
mm,
is what other people want, diba? To help their families and use all those hours of hard work and training to build something not just for yourself, but for the people close to you as well,
yeah.
diba? And
Yeah,
those
true.
those are the things that, money can't buy. Those are the other benefits that are better even than money because you're giving your family guidance and education and knowledge, which are priceless. One last question before I let you go here, Pare. Is coaching in the future, in your future plans? Do you ever see yourself as a basketball coach in the future?
Um,
May patience ka ba for coaching?
I don't think I'm gonna have the patience. Yun yung problema. Pero I like teaching. I like helping other players, di ba? Pero kasi when you're the head coach, ang daming stress nun. Feeling ko. So,
Bakit lahat ng coach
depende.
walang buhok? Nawawalan
Di
ng
ba?
buhok ang
Di ba? Di ba? As in, kahit gaano ka kabait na tao, ma- when you coach a basketball, that's 15 players na may kanya-kanyang ego, na may kanya-kanyang character, kanya-kanyang pride or whatever, attitude. Talagang baka mapapanot ka talaga. May stress ka talaga.
Are
Diba?
you speaking
So
from
yun yung
experience ba? Ikaw din ba nagbigay ng stress sa mga coaches mo dati?
I'm sure. Oo. As in, I was the stress. You can ask Coach O.
Shout out to Coach O, doing good
Coach, I
at
love you, Coach.
Perpetual right now. Okay, last question. Advice to upcoming hoopers and players who want to accomplish something similar to what you have done. What are the three main distractions or temptations that can derail someone's basketball career that they should avoid based on your experience?
Temptations. Dami nito eh. Sobrang dami. Pero I'll say na lang siguro yung key, no? Um, Number one is discipline.
Mm.
Yan. Yun also, you have to have that discipline para maalis mo yung or malayo ka sa mga temptations. Discipline. And second, I'll say you have to find the reason why you're doing that. 'Di ba?
Mm. Your why.
Your why or why do you have to keep going? Why do you have to that's ano rin malaking bagay yun na let's say you're doing it for your family, doing it for your mom, for your dad. You're doing it for yourself. That's kasi sobrang competitive ka, ayaw mo nang may mas magaling sa'yo. Yun, that's a reason, di ba? To keep going to do those things. I'll put that in number one, siguro. Kasi that's ano yun yung start. Two is discipline. And number three is, of course, hard work. Work hard and be smart about it. Di ba? When I say hard work, di ba, in it's good also na to work hard, but you also have to be smart about it. Kasi
Mm-mm.
yung hard work, hindi lang yan sa court. Hindi mo lang sa court and sa gym mo ma-apply. Outside din, ma-apply mo rin yan in the way how you take care of your body, yung amount of sleep na um, nakukuha mo, and you staying away from the mga food or anything that would harm your body as an athlete, di ba? Yung discipline nandun na rin yun, di ba? So I think, and also if you're working hard, you have to be smart on your skills training, di ba? If you're a big man, you can't train ano, if you're playing big man for your team, you have to um work on your big man skills. Kumbaga, di ba? Kasi maraming ngayon na, okay, practice shooting, practice dribbling, practice pick and roll. Pero sa system nyo, hindi ka naman nagka-catch and shoot. You're not running the pick and roll. You're not um, handling the ball, di ba? So you have to also be smart on what you're working on, di ba? Yung kung ano yung swak sa system nyo. I think that's a big part of on kung paano ka magsipag, di ba? Parang don't waste, hindi naman don't waste. Kasi when you work hard, wala namang na-waste. I think, ano lang, what's the term? You work on your strengths. Work on your strengths and work on the things that you do in the court. Medyo mahaba,
Value.
sorry.
No, no, that's valuable advice. That's the kind of advice that could help young hoopers on the rise. Arvin Tolentino, from playing high school basketball with broken shoes to winning Rookie of the Year in Ateneo, to going to FEU, to becoming a PBA champion, best player of the conference, MVP candidate, and now KBL Asian import. What a journey for you, and mahaba pa, there's still a few more years for us to see what you
Mhm.
can accomplish. Really happy for you and best of luck. Wish you all the best, bro.
Thank you, bro. Thank you.
More power to you, and we can't wait to watch you. Thanks for joining me, Arvin. See you soon.
See you.